Hello and welcome. I'm in the New York International Auto Show. This is the all-new 2025 Kia K4. This particular trim is the GT line. So this has 190 horsepower from a 1.6 turbocharged four-cylinder engine, made it to an 8-speed automatic. Base trim comes with a 2-liter 2.0 turbo with a CVT transmission. I'm gonna talk about it, review it, so let's go over it. Starting with the front end. This is a very striking design. Kia's signature lighting signature, very similar to its sibling, the EV9, the EV6 and the EV9, with this nice little, kind of like a check mark type of thing. Very low stance in this particular model. Let's moving to the front end. You still have the tiger shark nose right here in the front. Redesigned, of course, Kia logo up here up front. You do have a 360-degree camera. This one has a 360 camera, and it does have sensors all over the front end. Very nicely done, very aggressive. And this tester here, I believe the wheels they're wrapped in two 35s, 18-inch wheels. Nicely done. I like the black mirror caps. And it's a complete departure from the current Forte. The Forte, of course, has been around for a while, design-wise. So if you come with me in the back, one side note is, if you look at this, you will think, where is the door handle? Kia decided to integrate a door handle right here, which is very nice and sleek. So when you close the door, it kind of looks like a coupe. It has that coupe look to it. Nicely integrated sensors at each of the doors. So I'm sure your keyless entry, you just put your hand on the door to open it up. We'll go over the interior in a second, but walking around the back, and my Tesla does have looks like a panoramic glass sunroof, nicely large. We'll look at that more in the interior section, but walking in the back, the striking design continues back here. Very, very striking, very nice. I do like the LED lights, how they go all the way from the trunk lid all the way to the side. Very, very cool. Let's see if the trunk is open here. Yep, it is. And this is a big trunk. This is a decent sized trunk. I will leave the information, the cubic inches, in the description. You can fold the seat down, which is also nice. And let's take a look at the interior of the K5. And let's start with the front, the driver's side. The driver's side seat. And materials are also very nice. Nicely soft padded materials here. Leather materials on the doors. You do have heated and ventilated front seats. You got memory for 2 drivers in this particular trim because it's the GT line. And getting in here, let me adjust the mirror here. It's not a bad place to be. This is not a bad place to be. I do like the steering wheel, the Kia logo to the side. Very, very nice. You do have what looks like 2 12.3-inch infotainment display. So, and yep, the car has a key here, so I can definitely show you guys what that looks like. And let's take a look at the instrument cluster. Very nicely done. You can take a look at what the cluster looks like. This is the new design for Kia and the Kia vehicles, the infotainment that has completely been redesigned. You do have physical controls for the infotainment, media, home button. You do have map, and I'm pretty sure this vehicle has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Of course, backup camera. And if you come around the passenger side, so we can take a look at the interior a little more. At the interior of the K4. And it's not a bad place to be. Let me see if I can open the sunroof. Yep. So the sunroof is very decent sized sunroof for a small car like this. Definitely grew in size. And I think it should do very well. You do, in the center console here, you do have hideaway cup holders. So when they're closed, they're like this, and you can just open them like so. Parking sensors button right here. This activates the camera. So there you can take a look at the view of the front. And I'm sure this has the 3D, the different views, so you can spin around and look at the car all around. That's the front, that's the back view. This is the front view. So full 360 camera in this particular tester. And then you have like a little sub-screen menu here for the climate controls. So here you could turn it on to auto and defrost, which is very interesting to do that. Very cool that they did that. And away from this main infotainment screen per se. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. And let's see if it's heated. Nope, I don't think it's heated. I don't see the button anywhere. Also, Kia and collectively Hyundai redesigned the center console. And this is wireless charging, fast wireless charging, and then you can choose if you want data and charge only. And you do have a Qi wireless charger here, and you have a traditional circuit style outlet plug. And overall, it's not a bad car. This has been my first look at the Kia K4 at the New York International Auto Show. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and stay safe.